Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where architectural beauty meets timeless luxury. Today, we invite you to step inside a world that defines perfection, a $9,750,000 masterpiece located in the heart of Alamo, California. This is not just a home, it's a legacy sculpted in stone, glass, and gold, a true American dream mansion. Hidden at the end of a private cul-de-sac, surrounded by manicured lawns and golden light, this estate stretches across 1.04 acres and spans more than 10,000 square feet of pure elegance. Built in 2005, this home blends French country charm with a modern golden and black luxury aesthetic, creating a presence that is both commanding and serene. As you approach, black marble, glowing lights, and graceful curves define the facade. The golden reflections at sunset turn the entire home into a cinematic vision of wealth and sophistication. Step inside and feel the heartbeat of craftsmanship. White French oak floors lead you into expansive rooms, where soaring ceilings and hand-carved details whisper stories of passion and precision. Every molding, every beam, every inch has been perfected for those who value beauty in its purest form. The living room unfolds like a scene from a dream. Golden chandeliers, soft velvet textures, and floor-to-ceiling windows that invite natural light to dance through every space. Here, elegance doesn't need to be loud, it speaks softly, with confidence and grace. The chef's kitchen is a symphony of design and function. Two grand marble islands sit beneath arched ceilings lined with brick and distressed beams. A la Cornu oven, induction and wok range, and sub-zero refrigerator make this kitchen as practical as it is beautiful. The contrast of black marble and golden accents creates a warm, indulgent glow, perfect for both intimate family dinners and grand entertaining. Throughout the home, you'll discover 5 ensuite bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths, each one a personal retreat. The master suite captures the essence of luxury living, complete with black paneled walls, a glowing fireplace, golden chandeliers, and a private terrace overlooking the gardens and pool. The adjoining bathroom rivals any 5-star spa, with black marble walls, golden fixtures, a soaking tub, and a rainfall shower. Every detail is designed for serenity, comfort, and timeless style. Walk down the golden staircase, where every step shines beneath soft lighting, leading you to a secret bar hidden behind a sliding bookshelf and a wine room that glows like liquid amber. The home also features a private elevator, a Generac whole house generator, own solar power, 4-zone HVAC, and a 6-car garage finished with epoxy floors and custom cabinetry. It's luxury that lives and breathes modern convenience. Step outside, and paradise unfolds before your eyes. A 25 by 55-foot pool stretches across the backyard, glimmering gold under the night sky. A covered bridge connects you to a bubbling spa and an outdoor kitchen, where marble counters and golden lights turn every evening into an experience. The enclosed outdoor living room, complete with a fireplace, is the perfect place to unwind or host unforgettable gatherings. A detached guest cottage offers space for fitness, art, or peaceful reflection, another symbol of thoughtful design in this extraordinary estate. From sunrise to sunset, the golden and black color palette transforms this mansion into a living piece of art. Every reflection, every glow, every sound of the waterfalls reminds you that this is not ordinary luxury, this is lifestyle elevated to perfection. Located just a short drive from San Francisco, the estate offers both privacy and prestige, a rare balance that only a few homes in the world can achieve. Presented proudly by Jill Fusari of The Agency, this property is captured in stunning cinematic detail by Open Homes Photography, a team known for bringing luxury properties to life through world-class visuals. We extend our gratitude to them for showcasing this masterpiece so beautifully. At American Dream Mansions, we believe that every home tells a story, and this one speaks the language of elegance, strength, and desire. From its majestic architecture to the fine details in its interior design, every inch of this estate represents what it means to live the American dream. This is not just a house. It's a feeling, it's a statement, it's a dream realized. The $9,750,000 golden and black luxury mansion, a sanctuary where sophistication meets soul. Sparkle's American Dream Mansions. Dizzy subscribe for more cinematic luxury home tours. Home.